If you are worried that your Windows PC might have a virus, you don't have to panic. Here's how you can scan and remove or stay protected. So let's clean it up. First, disconnect your PC from the internet. This stops the virus from spreading or communicating with any outside server. Just turn off Wi-Fi or unplug the internet cable. Next, open Windows Security. You can search for it in the Start menu. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Now hit Quick Scan, and if anything suspicious shows up, just follow these steps to remove or quarantine it. For a deeper cleanup, do a full scan. It may take longer, but it's more better to do that. You'll find the option under the scan options in the same menu. Let it run and don't use your PC while it's scanning. If you still think something wrong, just download a trusted antivirus tool like malware or Avasta antivirus. The free version is enough for a one-time cleanup. You just have to install it, update it, and run a full system scan. Let it find and remove anything that Windows Defender might have missed. Now that your system is clean, you just have to delete any sketchy files or unknown programs. For that, go to Control Panel, then Programs, and then Install a program. And remove anything you don't recognize or don't install yourself. Uninstall a program and remove anything you don't recognize or you didn't have installed yourself. And now finally restart your PC. Once you're back up, reconnect to the internet and run the last quick scan to confirm if everything is clear. To stay protected in future, keep Windows and your antivirus updated and avoid downloading random files or clicking suspicious links. And that's it. Your PC should be virus free and running smoothly till now. And don't forget to subscribe or hit like button if you want more tech videos like that.